Hello everyone, this is Flordeluna Merlan and I am discussing about the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is denoted by R cross S or R times S, where R and S are the names of the tables. It is a multiplication of two relations, R and S, and sometimes called the cross product or cross join. Cartesian product defines a relation that is the concatenation of every tuple of relation R with every tuple of relation S. It equates to an inner join where the join condition always evaluates to either true or where the join condition is absent from the statement. Let us take as an example the two tables R and S. R has 5 rows and S has 4 rows. If we cross join R and S, the resulting table would be 20 rows because we multiply the number of rows from the first table, which is R and has 5 rows, and the number of rows of S, which is 4 rows. In the diagram, it shows that each row from the first table joins with all the rows of the second table. The SQL cross join produces a result set, which is the number of rows in the first table multiplied by the number of rows in the second table if no where clause is used along with the cross join. This kind of result is called a Cartesian product. If the first table contains X rows and the second table contains Y rows, the result set will be X times Y rows. So in the diagram, both tables have 3 rows each, so the resulting table will have 9 rows. If where clause is used with cross join, it functions like an inner. The basic syntax of the Cartesian join or the cross join is as follows. Select asterisk from table 1 cross join table 2. It means that we are to select all the columns from each of the two tables for a cross join. Or we can also choose to select particular columns from each of the two tables. Like for the example, select table 1 that column 1, table 2 that column 1, and so on. The from statement may or may not contain the keyword cross join. It may be separated by comma only, but we are to use the cross join keyword to distinguish which type of join is going to be used. Let us consider as an example the following two tables. Table 1 is the customer's table with ID, name, age, address, and salary as the columns, and it has 4 rows. Table 2 is the orders table with order ID or OID, date, customer ID, and the amount as the columns, and also it has 4 rows. The select statement, select customers.name, customers.address, orders.OID, orders.date, orders.customer ID, orders.amount from customers cross-join orders, says that we are to select the name and the address columns from the customers table and all the columns from the orders table. Each of the tables have 4 rows each, and so we are expecting to have an output of 16 rows. This is the output of the select statement that was previously stated. We can see that there are 16 rows in the table, and we can notice that the pair of name and address, which came from the customer's table, appeared 4 times each, because each pair of name and address is joined to each of the rows from the orders table. This is how the Cartesian product is obtained.